In front of me is Realme 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner, hit Files. Select audio and look for your file here in one of those apps or by hitting those three lines at the top left corner in one of those sources. Then hold one of your files, tap on select and wait. To add a video one, select gallery section instead. Tap on your video here and if you can't find it, select folders, look for it here and attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!